Uzman asks, hello, sir. Is it necessary for data scientists to learn SQL? If yes, how often they use in a project? It's not really easy to say how often it's used, but yes, SQL is absolutely an important skill for data scientists, especially if you're new to the field and you're trying to break into a team as a data engineering role or even as a data analyst role. Demonstrating good SQL skills that puts you in a data engineering position and lands you on a team is a good way for you to kind of start your career and build into being a data scientist, right? So if you're still new and you're saying, well, okay, maybe I'm not ready for a data scientist role, but I can do a data engineering role, then yes, in that situation, SQL would be even more important, right? But overall, SQL is definitely vital for any stage of the data process. So if you guys want to look it up, the book I recommend there is called The Practical SQL Handbook. It's the book that I learned from. It's been around forever. At this point, it's been around for, gosh, maybe like approaching 30 years. Like I want to say like at least 25 years, but it could be, but I know that when I read it, it was already like a pretty old book. So, but Practical SQL Handbook has taught people more people SQL than anything else out there. So if you guys want to get started with SQL, that's the book I recommend.